Hey everyone, Chef Patrick here with a review of the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer with dual technology. Come on, let's get started. So I hope everyone had a great holiday and a happy new year. It was great to spend Christmas with my family and my in-laws who happened to bless me with this Ninja Foodi air fryer. It's so convenient and yet so effective. Let me show you what it can do. This is the Ninja Foodi air fryer with dual zone technology. The baskets are marked 1 and 2 to correlate with the on-screen buttons. Each basket is 4 quarts, which gives you an 8-quart capacity, and each comes with a crisper plate. This air fryer comes with 6 preset buttons, including air broil for food you want to brown or sear the top, air fry for everything you would normally fry in oil without all the fat, roast for roasted potatoes or an actual beef roast, reheat if you want to reheat leftovers and want to retain that quality texture, dehydrate, make some beef jerky or dry your own herbs, and last but not least, bake. I'm actually going to attempt to bake bread in this in the near future. The air fryer is dual zone, so you can cook with 2 different temps at the same time. It has a match cook button so that you can utilize both baskets for the same temp and the same time. It's that simple. But here's my favorite part of this air fryer, the smart finish. Basically, this is how it works. You set the first basket to whatever setting you want and set the time. Then click the second button to adjust the setting and time for the second basket. Notice that the first basket with the longer time starts first, while the second basket with less time is on hold. But we'll demonstrate this later on. Let's test the air fryer setting with these chicken wings that I had marinating in some soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic and ginger, which is going to result in a dark, crispy skin. Hopefully. Let's check it out. Setting is on air fryer for 20 minutes. Here's a cool safety feature. When the time reaches 0, it goes into a cool down mode so that you don't singe your eyebrows with hot air. That soy and oyster sauce caramelized that skin, which is nice and crispy. It is perfectly perfectly cooked on the inside. Awesome results. Now let's get to that smart finish design. In the first basket, I'm making canoas, which are sweet plantain boats. I'm using ripe plantains with black spots, and I'm simply going to peel them, leaving them whole. I'm also going to make some plantain chips in the second basket, so I'm peeling a green plantain. I show you how to peel the plantain in my tostones video. I cut the plantain in half, and then using a mandolin, I slice it into thin slices. Place the whole sweet plantains in the first basket, and I brush them with some seasoned garlic oil. Do the same for the other side. Now I'm placing the slices of green plantain in the second basket. You will have to do these in batches. Then brush them with the same garlic oil. Insert both baskets into the air fryer. I select my cook setting, then hit the Smart Finish button and select the cook time, which will be 10 minutes. Then I click the second button and choose my cook setting, as well as the cook time, which will only be 5 minutes. I'll hit start and the second basket will hold until the first basket gets down to 5 minutes. When the first basket reaches 5 minutes, the second basket will start. First, let's check out the results of our plantain chips. Wow, they're super crispy, just like if you were to purchase them pre-made in a bag, but better. Now let's take out our sweet plantains that are perfectly cooked. I'm going to split them down the center and open them up to hold the filling, which is a seasoned beef mixture called picadillo. Fill the cavity of both plantains then sprinkle on some shredded cheese. Pop them back into the air fryer for an additional 2 minutes and behold, canoas de plátano sweet plantain boats. Well, I hope you like this review. If you're interested in purchasing this Ninja Fryer with dual zone technology, I added a link in the description. My honest opinion on this air fryer is that I can't live without it. It is versatile, it is convenient, and it's efficient. Get yours today. Remember, if you like this video, like and share, and if you haven't subscribed, you can click the link here. Also, check out these other videos that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until we meet again, make it sabroso.